Yeah, yeah. Hi, students. I am Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we will see the salt form of the drug. Salt form. Okay, salt form is always keep in your mind very tasty, easily soluble. Dissolution is easy, solubility is easy, so that automatically absorption also easy. Okay, bioavailability also very easy when compared to the plain form. Okay, see, we know very well the term is various dry fruits like a pista, salted pista, plain pista. Which is tasty? Salted pista is very tasty. Salted cashew is very tasty. Like that, salt form is always tasty, because if you keep in a mouth, immediately the salt form will be dissolved. Pista only, if it is just salt is sprinkled on that pista, so that easily soluble. So you can feel the taste. Okay, and also dissolution, everything automatically, everything will become easy. That's why keep in your mind salt form wherever, all the medicines, wherever possible, you just change into a salt form. How to convert to the salt form? Okay, not don't sprinkle the salt on the diclofenac. Diclofenac you have to convert into salt form, that is called as a diclofenac sodium. Okay, here I have shown, see here, salted diclofenac. Here I kept in the tin. Okay, instead of plain diclofenac, salted diclofenac is better. Solubility is better, dissolution is better, absorption is better. Okay, bioavailability is better. Diclofenac sodium. Okay, and see the Gangnam dance. It's Gangnam dance. Okay, what is this Gangnam dance? Is a salted pista. He's doing a dance with the pista. See, all these are the pistas. One, two, three. You can see, no? Same color also. Pista color, they will match. Okay. So you will get energy immediately. You will get energy and you will do a Gangnam dance. Okay. Yeah. Factors influencing the gastrointestinal absorption of the drug. We are salt form comes in this only. Okay, there was so many forms are there. Okay, total three forms are there: physicochemical properties of a drug substance, dosage form characteristic, patient related factors. Number of factors all converted, they comes under the three headings, main headings. If you combine these two, then you can call it as a pharmaceutical factors. These are the related to drug substance. These are related to dosage form. Dosage form is different, drug substance is different. Drug, we cannot take it directly. You have to convert, you must convert into suitable dosage form, then only you can able to take. Directly paracetamol powder you cannot take, it is not possible. Okay, so physicochemical properties, under the physicochemical properties, 8 factors are there. Here in this video we will see the salt form of the drug. What is this salt form? That topics is the today's topic. Yeah. See here, diclofenac tablets. In olden days, they are using only diclofenac. Before the concept of salted form, salted diclofenac, they used only plain pista, plain diclofenac they are using. That is, see here, diclofenac tablet 25 mg. Now they converted into salt form. Diclofenac sodium. Salt form means they are not sprinkle the salt on the diclofenac. Diclofenac, they are converting to sodium ion, they are adding like salt, NaCl. NaCl is a salt, no? We know very well. So sodium they are adding, diclofenac sodium. Why only sodium? We can add potassium instead of sodium, because sodium is always, see, if the patient is taking a diclofenac sodium, BP may rise, because for BP patients it is little bit increases the BP, because it is consist of a sodium ion additionally. Sodium is against the BP. Sodium increases the BP. Sodium is dangerous for the heart. Very dangerous, sodium ion. Very dangerous. Whereas the opposite ion, potassium, is excellent for heart, excellent for BP. It reduces the BP, potassium ion. This is very, very important point, basic point. Opposite, KCl, potassium chloride, sodium chloride, NaCl, both are opposite in the nature, in the sequence of the BP and the potassium. That is in heart and BP. That point you have to keep in your mind. So wherever possible, instead of doctors also, instead of writing the diclofenac plain, they can write the diclofenac sodium. If patient is having a BP, doctor can write the diclofenac potassium instead of that. So easily it reduces. You can compare, you can do treatment for BP also. Very important and interesting point. What is the power of the salt? What happens here? How to do this salt form? I will tell you how to convert. Most of the drugs are weak acids, weak bases. That point very, very important, because yeah, that is true only. True only. Most of the drugs are weak acids, because strong acids we cannot take. No, if you prepare a strong acid tablet, or we cannot take drug if it is a strong acid or strong base. It causes a danger to the human body. It causes a systemic alkalosis, systemic acidosis. These problems will come. That's why most of the drugs are, that is luckily, fortunately, most of the drugs are either weak acids or weak bases. Now, what you have to do, this weak acid, you have to convert into the strong base salt, SBS. That point you have to keep in your mind. Weak acid, for example, say diclofenac. Diclofenac is a weak acid. That point you keep in your mind. That is converted into strong base salt. Okay, strong base. Here two are opposite. One is weak acid. Weak. This weak you have to convert into strong. Acid. This acid you have to convert into base. Salt. So two things you have to keep in mind. Weak acid become into a strong base salt. For example, diclofenac and diclofenac sodium. Very, very important and classical example is that. So whenever you see, take the diclofenac tablets on the backside of the strip, you just observe. Observe, please. Observe. Either it is a diclofenac or diclofenac sodium or diclofenac potassium is there. Just observe, please. Okay. So in the same fashion, weak base, you are converting into a strong acid salt. See here, weak convert into strong, base convert into acid, strong acid, like that you have. So these two are having, that's why here, see the colors. This I made a weak color. This is a strong color. Here also, weak color. I converted into strong color for easy remember, so that you can remember it easily. Okay. So cetirizine, we know very well. For allergy, we are using cetirizine. Cetirizine you convert into cetirizine HCl. Acid, HCl is a acid. That's why you are calling as a acidic salt. Acidic salt, like that we are using. Strong acidic salt. Why this salt form will show so much of solubility, much dissolution, much, why the scientists, they keep on observed that why this salt form, why this salt form, why this, and they did experiment on that. They give that to the patient. See here, this is a plane of the drug form, this is a salt form, this is a weak acid, strong base salt. Both they kept into the stomach. Into this, they made a tablet, and plain form also, as well as a salt form also, so the patient has consumed. So pH, here you can see this is a pH of the bulk. That is, we know stomach pH, it is same for both. It is around a 2 or 3 pH will be there. Okay. And this is a weak acid, strong base salt. pH of the diffusion layer is important. Diffusion layer. Here also you can see the pH of the diffusion layer. That way, that is the difference. That is the difference. Okay. pH of the diffusion layer is the difference. Here what happened? pH of the diffusion layer, pHD is nothing but a pH of the diffusion layer of a weak acid. It is lesser than, they observed this, lesser than the pH of the diffusion layer of the strong base salt. That they converted. See here, pH of the diffusion of the, we had pH of the diffusion of the SBS. So pH of the diffusion layer is a difference. That is only less than this. So higher pH, since it is having a higher pH favors the solubility. That's why here you can see more, 2 arrow marks I have made. See here, here only 1 arrow mark. Here 2 arrow marks, because more dissolution. That's why I showed more. So more soluble, more dissolution, more absorption, more bioavailability. Here less soluble, less dissolution, less absorption, less bioavailability. Okay, PHD is nothing but pH of diffusion layer, PHB is equal to pH of the bulk solution. Now same for weak base also. This is a weak base converted into strong acid salt. Only one thing is here it is a less than. That point you have to keep in your mind. Here what happened? It is a less than. Here it is a greater than. Here lower pH favors the solubility. This is also changed. Higher pH. Here lower pH favors the solubility. That's why here also more and more amount of the dissolution will come. See here more soluble, more dissolution, more absorption, more bioavailability. This is a weak base, strong acidic salt, same, everything is the same. Okay. And you can see the one example of theophylline. Theophylline, isopropanolamine, theophylline, ethylene diamine. Two salts are there. This is a plain form, one form, another form, ethylene. This is three times more soluble. Isopropanolamine is a 3 times. That's why 3 greater marks I have shown here. Greater. More soluble, more dissolution, more. So if you become a scientist, you prepare theophylline isopropanolamine tablet for your pharmaceutical company. And counter ion size. See, sodium salt we are using. This is a calcium salt, potassium salt, chlorine salt. For example, HCl, I have shown, no? Theophylline HCl, cetirizine HCl, I have shown. No? Here, whatever the counter ion you are adding to a main drug, parent drug, the size is important. Greater the counter size ion, greater the solubility. See here, diclofenac plain is having a lesser solubility than the diclofenac sodium. Diclofenac sodium having a lesser solubility than the diclofenac calcium. Diclofenac calcium is having a lesser solubility than the diclofenac potassium. See, that's why you prefer the potassium. More solubility, BP also reduced. Okay, if it is a hypertension or hypotension patients, like that you categorize and according to that, this point very important. You have to write, you must, all the points are important. But however, some exemptions are there here. That exemptions are there. Why these exemptions? Why all apples are green and why this is only the red apple? You can find. Phenobarbital. Phenobarbital sodium. Here, generally, we will think phenobarbital sodium is better than phenobarbital. Okay, not like that. Here, exemption is there. Reason is tablet is swelling. Instead of dissolution, tablet starts swelling. That is the main problem. Here also, tetracycline. Tetracycline is better than a salt form. Tetracycline HCl, we are converted into weak base, strong acidic salt, we converted. Common ion effect. Here, the problem is. Like the two things, these are exempted from the thing. That points you have to keep in your mind, right? Okay, in the next video we will see the pH partition hypothesis. Partition, how the partition came, how on Telangana and Andhra are divided. Okay, in the same fashion we will see running of a drug molecules into different states. That we will enjoy in the next video.